Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing. So I recently went to Target and they have these $7 beauty boxes that they're selling, and I believe there's 4 different ones. I got 2 of the 4, and one of the 2 that I got is called Wakeup and Makeup. And then the other one is called You-tiful. So I'm just going to unbox those and check out the products in there and just let you know if I think it's a good way to spend your money or not.
So these are the $7 beauty boxes from Target, and essentially it's $7 for 7 items.
So yeah, the first one we're gonna dig into is called Wakeup and Makeup. And one nice thing that I noticed about these is on the back it does list the products that you get on the back, so that's nice. It's not just like a blind box kind of thing. All the products are just kind of set in there. So the first thing I pull out is this Dove Dry Spray Antiperspirant. Says it's in the scent Sheer Fresh, and says no white marks on any colors, 100 colors. So I'm just gonna spray it. I don't think I can smell it, so that's cool though. The next product is also a Dove product, and it's a dry shampoo, and I have used Dove dry shampoos before. They're not my favorite. It kind of makes my hair feel a little bit brittle, but they're not bad. I mean, they're drugstore dry shampoos, so I use them. And this one is fresh coconut, so I'm going to just use a little bit of it because I love coconut scents. It doesn't really smell like coconut, but I like the smell. I don't think it smells like coconut though, but I really like it. So you can always use more dry shampoo, right? All right, the next thing I got is Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Makeup Remover Wipes. I've actually never tried anything from Honest Beauty, so those will be interesting. And it comes with 7 wipes. It smells interesting. Chamomile, that's what it smells like, and that's what's in it. And then the next thing I am pulling out is an e.l.f. Natural Glow Face Palette, and I'm just gonna open that up. Maybe. Okay, really? Okay, so it comes in a completely reflective case, which is something I have never seen before. It's like a complete mirror, and then it also comes with a mirror on the inside. And there's the product, so it does look pretty nice, and the packaging is pretty sturdy. They do look pretty sheer, not that that's necessarily a bad thing. They do look pretty sheer. And then next you get this e.l.f. Beautifully Bare blending brush, and it looks like, honestly it looks like a blush brush to me, and it's like a mini brush. It's got a mini handle on it, so it's kind of like a squished like a squished blush brush or powder brush. So yeah, there's that. It's nice and soft. It feels super soft. Next we get this CoverGirl Peacock Flare mascara, and it comes in black, as it should. I'm always for finding a new mascara that works nice, so this will be cool to try out. And the packaging is really sweet. I love that color, and it's strange packaging, honestly, but I like it. And then it's like a stiff brush. It's not like bristles. The very last item that comes in here is a Sonia Kashuk Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. And on the box where it gives you the product list, it says Sonia Kashuk Brush Cleaning Wipes, plural. And then this is obviously one. It's a sample. So that's a little bit misleading, but that's all right. I would say that this box is definitely worth the money. I mean, this alone is probably like $5.99 retail price, and so that's $6, and this box was $7. So I do think you get like your money's worth out of this box for sure. It's a great way to try new products if you're not sure, or if you want something new in your collection. Comes with this little info card, and then it also comes with a mini coupon booklet. So it's like $1 off a Dove deodorant, and then $1 off dry shampoo, and then $3 off an Honest Beauty purchase. So that's pretty nice. That's a nice little addition. It's like if you enjoyed the products that you sampled, then you can buy a full size, a fraction of the price, right? So I did enjoy that Wake Up and Makeup box a lot. So now we're gonna dive into the Be You-tiful box, and I love the packaging. I love the colors they chose for this one. So I'm excited to see what's inside. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I opened it up, and the first thing I see in here, wow, that's really disappointing. This is the first thing I see, and it is leaking. It exploded. And that sucks, because I was gonna take this on my trip that I'm going on, my vacation that I'm going on in August, but I don't know if I want that in my luggage if it already leaked and semi-exploded. But anyways, this is a Nexus Carafix Damage Healing Conditioner with Protein Fusion. And then we have the shampoo of the same line, and this one survived the trip, so that's great news. And then we've got an e.l.f. Gotta Glow lip tint in Perfect Pink. I don't think pink is like a universal color for everyone, and I know I definitely don't use it that much, so I'm kind of wondering why they chose pink as the color to put in this box. The packaging looks super awesome. It kind of goes along with that face palette that I opened from the other box. And I will swatch this, and there's literally like barely any color. But that's probably looks, it's just a tint, a lip tint, so that's fine. Next thing I have in here is the simple micellar makeup remover pads for your eye makeup remover eye pads, and it comes with 30 pads, so that's actually a pretty nice product that they give you. And the next thing is, it's from Ollie, which I don't think I've ever heard of, and it's a hair, skin, and nails gummy, vitamin gummy thing, a beauty gummy. So it says take 2 per day, and it comes with 2. So it's definitely just like a 1-day trial. I don't think I'm gonna notice any difference between tonight and tomorrow, but maybe it's just so you can taste it. This is in this flavor Grapefruit Glam, so I'm gonna try them. I don't like grapefruit, by the way. Those are really good. They're like citrusy, super chewy. Definitely grapefruit in there. Not my favorite, but they're really good. Tastes like candy. So the next product we have is an Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. And it's 0.17 fluid ounces. But since it's a sample, you know, it's better than just getting like a little foil package. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, it smells interesting. So it smells pretty interesting. The ingredients aren't listed on here, so I can't even tell what the smell is. It's definitely herby. It's definitely herby, the scent. Okay, and the next thing I am finding in here is the L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Cleanser. This is a pretty small sample as well, but you know, we're just sampling it. So then the last thing we have is a Sinful Colors nail polish, and it's a chunky glitter, and it is in the shade Galaxy, S-E-A-C. And honestly, it reminds me a lot of St. Patrick's Day. Like, I'm kind of wondering why they didn't name it 4-leaf clover or something. It's really drippy. Okay, so that's that. Personally, I don't paint my nails that often, and if I do, I don't use chunky glitter because it's really hard to get off. But maybe I'll have a cousin who will want this or something. I know I personally won't get any use out of it. And then it comes with an info card again. It says, "Hello, be beautiful," like the box. And then it also comes with coupons again. And this one came with 5 coupons. The first one came with 3. This one comes with 5. So I really appreciate the coupon aspect of it because it just really makes sense. Like, if you try these items and you really enjoy them, you can go back and get them at a discounted price. That's just a good like selling point of these boxes. So overall, I definitely loved the Wake Up and Makeup beauty box. The Be Youtiful makeup box, it had some nice stuff in it. I would say that one is more for people who like a fresh face, not necessarily makeup every day, but who like to take care of their skin and face. So that one is, I enjoyed that one too, but I would have personally liked the Wake Up and Makeup box more. It just has products that I will definitely get use out of, and I will probably use up all the products, whether I'm going to buy them again or not. I'll still use them. So yeah, so there's all the products that I tried, and yeah. So let me know in the comments down below if you have picked up one of these beauty boxes and what you thought of your beauty box. Like I said, there's 2 more that I didn't pick up. Or if you haven't picked up any of the beauty boxes, comment down below and tell me what your favorite beauty box is, like a subscription beauty box. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on beauty boxes and whether you think they're worth your money or not. These 2 beauty boxes from Target, I would definitely say are worth the money. They come with very nice products, and the products that you get in there are definitely more expensive than the beauty box itself. Thanks, as always, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button. Comment down below with your favorite beauty box, and subscribe if you really enjoyed this to see more videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!